Okay, what's up guys? So it's your guy Shapira here once again. And guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to be able to mine free BNB inside your Trust wallet. Okay guys, so I encourage every one of you watching this video to watch the video to the end so that you know the best platform or the best site that you are going to mine the BNB inside your Trust wallet. Okay, and guys, if you have somebody up there who's looking for a way to make money online, I recommend you that you share my video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make money online. As you can see on the screen right now, it's your guy Shapira here once again. I'm a content creator. I create video about how to make money online. So if it's your first time on my channel here, guys, do me a favor by subscribing and liking this particular video, and also commenting and sharing this video to all your friends who are looking for a way to make or to find some money online. As you can see on the screen here, that I have a bunch of videos about how to make money. As you can see on the screen here, that I have a bunch of videos here that is going to show you how to make money. And guys, I want you to do something for me. I want you to go down to the video that you're watching right now. Okay, the video that you're watching right now, I want you to do something for me in this video real quick. Okay, let me just quit this. Yeah guys, when you're here, the video you're watching right now, I want you to subscribe, smash the like button. As you can see on the screen, hit the like button, and also click on the comment section below and to comment me or to tell me anything that you have found difficult in the video. But guys, to those of you who don't have anything to comment about, just in case you appreciate this video, just comment below that nice video or write something about the video when you think that you are really appreciate the video. And what that will do is that YouTube is going to recommend the video to people up there to watch to make a lot of money online. Okay, so guys, so you watching this video now, I'm sure that you have liked the video, you have subscribed to the channel, and you have clicked on the bell icon below to be notified and drop more videos. And also scroll down to the bottom of this video, scroll down real quick, click on more. Okay, click on more and scroll down to the video you are watching right now. When you scroll down, you see a place that they have written website. So make sure that you click on my website there. You can see the name shapiroac.com. So click on it, or you can also go to your Google Play Store and go search for shapiroac.com. And guys, when you click on it, it will bring you to a place that look like this, as you can see on the screen. Okay, this is my website. So when you're here, I want you to scroll down. Just scroll down real quick. Let me see. Okay, scroll down. I want you to scroll down, guys. In case you want to get more information, you can come to my site and we'll be reading more news. Okay, so when you're here, as you can see on the screen right now, that I have 11 followers, I want you to click on the follow button. After I click on the follow button, come and message me with your name and email address and let me know what you have done. Okay, and also follow me on Instagram, where I also share tips about how to make money online. As you can see on the screen, that this is my account on Instagram, and also show me some love on TikTok at the same name Shapiro. And as you can see that I also drop videos about how to make money online. At the same time, you can also go to Twitter. Those of you who are on Twitter, follow me on Twitter that use the same name Shapiro. As you can see on the screen right now here, where I dropped tips about how to make money online. And the last and the final place that I recommend you to follow me is what we call the Telegram, as you can see. And guys, this is my group, the course that I have created, which is the YouTube monetization. So in case you are watching this video, you are a YouTuber or you are thinking of how to create a YouTube channel, there will be a link in the description box below. Click on that link, as you can see on the screen here. Okay, because classes are going to start very soon. I'm going to start classes with them very soon, as you can see. So guys, there will be the link in the description box below. Click on that link that will take you here. And the final one is my main group. Okay, those of you who want to join my main group, which is the money gang on Telegram, as you can see on the screen right now here. And there will be this link in the description box below that will also take you to this group. So those of you want to join all my group, all my link will be found in the description box below. Okay guys, so I think that's enough for the introduction. Sorry for making the introduction very long, but I just want to explain some things to you. So guys, let's just go to the reason why we are here. Okay, now today we are here for free BNB inside our Trust wallet, as I said earlier. So let's just go to Google Chrome. Okay, there will be a link in the description box below, the first link there. Click on the first link, that will bring you to a site that look like this. Okay, it will bring you to a site that look like this. Guys, the benefit of you using my link is that you're going to give you free horsepower, and I'm going to show you what's horsepower at the moment. So when you scroll down, you can come and read a brief about the site. Okay, how the site look like. But before I'll go inside that, I'm sure all of you have what we call the Trust wallet. But in case you don't have the Trust wallet, you have to go to Google Play Store. Those of you who are using the iPhone, to go to Apple Store and go and search for what we call Trust wallet real quick. Okay, Trust wallet real quick. Okay, so boom, as you can see, this is what the Trust wallet look like, and that's the interface. Mine is updates because I have it installed already. So if this is your first time, you will be installed. Make sure that you have installed it on your phone. When you scroll down, you can see that there are good reviews on it. So guys, Trust wallet is the best cryptocurrency wallet that you can hold your cryptocurrency. So I'm sure by now you have Trust wallet already. Okay, so let's just go to the app real quick. Okay, so when you're here for the first time, you can come and read reviews on this, because I'm not a financial advisor. So I encourage all of you to read vividly and do your background research yourself. So when you're here, you click on get started. When you click on it, they say what your BNB wallet address. So that's when I showed you how to create a Trust Wallet. So let me just go to my Trust Wallet very quick. Okay, now click on the Trust Wallet very quick. Okay. So when you're here, you can see we have the BNB here, which is what BNB, which is what 0 BNB. So I have to click on it and I click on what receive. I'm not done any transaction yet. So when I click on receive, then click on copy. Then that means you're going to copy your address. So when you copy your address, then you come here, and when you're here, then you paste it here. Okay, so let me just paste it here real quick and you start mining. Okay, start mining. And guys, they said what you cannot have more than one account, as you can see on the screen. Okay, so I have used this particular account to register it already, so there is no way that I'm going to use more than one account. So I have to go back and go and use my other one. Okay, so I've used my other address and it have logged me inside, and you can see how inside look like. You can see how inside look like, which is the name is what the magic miner. Okay, so as you can see the moment that I just start mining, it have been mining. So guys, the moment that you just log in, your free BNB will start mining for you, as you can see, and you can see the horsepower that I'm talking about. So when you use the link in the description box below, the first link in the description box below, it will give you a free horsepower. Okay guys, when you just come here and you want to mine, they require you to get a horsepower. That's what the mining rate of where and how it can be mined fast at a faster rate for you. Okay, so you also have the profit calculator here that you can see the amount of BNB you can mine in a day. Guys, you have a lot of things here that you can come and read yourself. Now you can see that right now the balance I have in my account, I don't have any referrals yet, as you can see on the screen, because it's just a new account that I've created with you all, as you can see on the screen. So guys, I recommend this platform for you. You're not going to deposit any money here. You're not going to, it's free. Okay, it's free money here. Okay, when you click on the three dots here, you can see we have the dashboard here, you have the accounts, you have the withdrawal, you have the deposit, you have a lot of things here that you can also do. And guys, frankly speaking, before you can work with this app, unless that you deposit an amount of BNB inside this app before you can request for it withdraw, as you can see on the screen. And guys, it's not that much money. It's just like 0.00002 BNB that you deposit, and can increase your horsepower. And guys, you can be working with this app. Okay, so I recommend this app to everybody out there who love crypto too much and who like to work with crypto. That this app is going to get you free BNB. Okay, it's going to give you free BNB. So come and just increase your horsepower here. You can see we have only 5 horsepower here, which it is not enough for you to, for the miner to mine at a higher rate. Okay, so make sure that you deposit amount of BNB here, and guys, your miner is going to mine at least in a day, which is what 1 BNB for you. You can see here 1 BNB is equivalent to what, about 250 USDT, as you can see. And guys, you can also take advantage of the referral tools, as you can see on the screen, that you can earn coin by referring links to your friends. So when your friend deposits, you earn 10% of your friend's money. So you can take that opportunity to refer. In case you don't have any amount of money to deposit here, you can refer to your friend. The moment that they join, they will allow you to withdraw from this platform. Okay, they will allow you to withdraw from this platform without paying any amount of money again. So guys, I recommend this app to everybody who's watching this video, all my subscribers. Guys, moreover, I'm not a financial advisor, okay, so I can't advise you that you can put your money here. But guys, in case you find it very, very interesting and you want to deal with it, I encourage all of you to go and do a background research. Okay, go and read more on the app, go and read more review on the app, and know more about it before you go into it. So guys, that's all I have for you in this video. And guys, thank you so much for watching the video up to here, and congratulations to you for watching the video up to here. And also, not forgetting, I'm sure that you have subscribed the video, you have liked, you have comment. Okay guys, I'm pleading with you to help me. Okay, when you comment, you like the video, it will make YouTube to recommend the video to people up there that okay, my video is very, very legit and my videos are working. Okay, so I encourage all of you to like the video, just like the video and comment. Okay, comment, let me know your biggest problem. And also, before I forget to, in case that I have done something to you that I don't like, in case that I have offended you, just give me a dislike on this video. Tell me what I have done to you that you don't like, or tell me what I have done in the video that I don't like, so that in my next video I can improve upon myself, because I like improvements a lot. So I'm just waiting for all your comments, because I reply to all comments here. Okay, I reply to all comments. And guys, those of you who are testing me on all my social media platforms, yes, I've been seeing your messages. Don't get angry with me, because guys, I've been replying all the messages. Okay, even though it's not all that I reply, but I take my time to reply at least 100 people a day. So I've been replying 100 people a day. Okay, so guys, I have a lot doing. I have a lot of things doing. I have my education too that I need to attend to. So just give me time, and I promise you that I'll be replying everybody, and any question that you just ask me. Follow me on my social media platform and drop your comments and drop your suggestions. See you on my next video. I'm out.